Lucky, what are we up to now?
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Hey, we all the way in Houston. Last time, with the dealership, it's Sunday, so they closed. We staying the night in Houston for in the morning. We'll be right back up here. But we just driving by. Hey, we just stopped by in the neighborhood. We drove the Z06 out here. You know, I had to take it on a road trip. I don't care about putting miles on my car. I bought it to drive it. But
you gotta take that top down.
Seen.
Look what we seen.
Look what we seen. I just drove by and happened to see it. Oh man, it's my first time seeing it in person. But I think this
in person.
Yeah, this would be a good recruit to our Chevy family.
Yeah, I think we should recruit this one.
I'm thinking.
It's the red line edition.
Yeah, the red line. I think that would be a good look for you.
For me?
Yeah, good look for you.
Oh, snap.
I like it. We're going to come here first thing in the morning.
Talk some numbers. Let's see how much they want for this motherfucker. Does it even say? It's a 2017.
As is no warranty.
As is no warranty. And this is a 2017. So to all our customers out there that's on our YouTube, it doesn't matter. If these cars ain't brand spanking new with 0 miles on them, you're not going to get a warranty.
Hey,
unless you pay for it yourself.
They be complaining about the 2000. They only spent $1,000 with us for 2005, 2001, 2000. And Paula talking about can they get warranty on it? Not 1 day, not an hour. I don't give a damn. Buy it as is. Go test drive, take to your mechanic. Don't bring that shit back. You ain't gonna. Hey, motherfucker, you can leave the car there. Don't mean I'm gonna give you your money back if you just drop it off.
Look, what I told that one girl, it will be towed.
Yeah,
she said, by who? Whoever comes and picks up this thing.
First come, first serve. Pick that motherfucker, remove it from the property.
Are those real vents?
Yeah, those I think to make it, the heat comes out of them.
Yeah,
the same thing with my...
So this is the 2SS, right?
This is black, yeah, 2SS.
Red line edition. Oh. See, I don't know if you guys know about the red line editions. They come in all, the Malibus. They made them for hella cars.
Yeah, I seen the Malibu. I think I even seen
But what it is, it gives you this stripe, the hashtags, or whatever.
That's not a sticker. That's painted on there.
It's painted on there?
Yeah.
And then it gives you this sticker, and it has the little Camaro. I don't know if you can see it. It has the little Camaro emblems in it.
Red line edition. It didn't give you the red.
And then gives you the red Camaro sign, the black. Also the black mirrors.
Yeah, black mirrors. And it gave you the Z01 taillights. They blacked this out.
Yeah, and the bow ties. I think that's sharp.
Add a little style to it.
What do you think? Is it going to be a good new recruit?
The grill.
It adds
the red marks. The grill. I think it'll look clean in our Chevy family.
I think so too. Oh. Look, I think we just broke. Oh, we can't say broke in. We just stepped over and entered, right?
Hey, that's why they don't have gates or fences. They want customers to come in and look. If they want to
look at Z over
Sunday,
there.
They would.
Yeah, that's true. Cause
let me get y'all a startup on the Z06. Though I ain't never started it up.
Oh yeah, you have it.
Yeah, I haven't started it up, so I might as well just start this thing.
We will come back at you tomorrow, Mr. Redline.
We'll get back there. See what's up with this toy right here before we get it.
Oh, see, they even have the opening.
Get over here by us. It's all sport mode right now.
Is it? Let me put my bag in. Hold on. Oh, see, because I reached in the car.
Just for reaching in the car, the line will go off.
I didn't even touch the car. I reached in the car.
I could walk away from this car and lock by itself.
Yeah. right. What mode is that? Oh, this is the eco mode. It works.
That's eco.
Yeah, that's cool. You can really hear the difference. What one was that? Sport. There's track on there.
There's a whole bunch of them, but it only got 2 sounds.
Oh, okay.
There's only 2
It makes
sounds,
a big difference.
Watch them look at all the modes. Alright, so you're gonna touch this. I'm gonna bring it all the way back to the first mode. The first mode.
See, that's the.
You can just keep turning this. So that's the first mode right here. It's weather. See, it says weather, eco.
And then wait, let me tell you something about eco. Eco will not let you get on it like that. It will bog you down. It won't cut off, but it act like it doesn't have no power. But it saves a lot of gas.
Yeah, it does. And I'm on a full tank.
Oh, and what I didn't know about this car, it does 4-cylinder. It has a deactivation on it, so which is cool. But okay, go ahead.
So we got tour mode. That's like the regular. We got the sport mode. Of course, that's what I drive in. We got the track mode, and then it goes back to weather, like cold and ice, snow and ice, whatever. But let's fuck this hood. See, can we hear the Supercharger one?
Gotta get way in there.
Wait, keep them.
Oh, look at this.
I ain't never showed y'all the motor of it.
Look how beautiful this is. Look, I'm gonna get
Love that sound. Starting one.
Big Daddy.
I love it. I love it. Matter of fact, this is what I'm about to do. Come here, let me show them how you take off the top for those that don't know.
Oh.
Let me close this. First thing you want to do is, hold on, first thing you got to do, come on this side real quick. Let me show them step from step how to do it. You want to pop the trunk first. Pop the trunk. You want to lift this up. You want to lift that up. Get it on that side.
It locks in.
Yeah. Right here.
Way.
Right here. That's what we're gonna lock it in.
It locks in.
All right, come on the other side.
The passenger. This motherfucker is clean.
So what you want to do is you want to fold these down, just like if it was a convertible. You want to pop these two. Then you come over here, right here. You push this in, and then pop that. Then you get
This is carbon fiber, so it's really light.
Yeah, it's
right?
real light.
Watch this. Oh!
Roof come on.
The whole roof.
Try to line it up without scraping your shit up. But it's pretty simple. See? Don't go nowhere, it's good in there. Now you got the top off.
easy it is.
It don't take that long.
And it's a one-man job.
Yeah, you don't need no help.
Not heavy.
Take a real man to drive this car. And a real woman.
Right, because I had fun. I had it opened up just a little bit. You know, folks here in Dallas, they drive like damn fools. I thought Cali was bad. But these people don't have no damn sense. If you ain't doing $150 to get on the highway, you're gonna get ran over. So I'm happy we took Z out. Look at those lights. I like that.
And that's the stock sound, so I think it sounds alright for the stock.
Yeah. Look at those yellow Brimbos.
But yeah, back to over here though. Let's look at this car because we're gonna be looking at it. I want to get, you know, I want to come in knowing I don't want to be looking at it all when in front of the car dealer.
All nervous.
You know.
Not nervous, but like.
Nah, I ain't gonna be nervous. I want to go in there
I'll
knowing
be
exactly what I want. I want it. I already looked at it. Let me test drive it and let's sign the paper like that. I don't got time to waste time.
What do you guys think? I think this
like
would be a good addition.
It says on the GPS 7.5, right? Hours.
But in Z, we made it here in like 6.5.
Yeah, so
we were
I was up
flowing.
there. I was up there. I ain't gonna lie. I was up there. I ain't gonna tell you how fast I was going. But I was up there.
We got here an hour earlier.
Hey, I was gonna take the SS. I haven't took the SS on a road trip, my black SS, but I've driven this car farther than I've driven my SS.
Can't help
distance, but I had to get in this, man. I gotta get some more content on it anyways while I'm out here. But I'm liking this. And of course, in Melly later on, think she wanted Supercharger or Pro-Charger, whatever she want to do. She can get it done. If she want to put ground effects on there or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, I'm thinking
I think
more ground effects.
The splitter and the ground effects would look good.
We're already plotting on it. Because of course we don't like having nothing that everyone else got. We like to add our flavor in it.
And everybody has a Camaro, but not this one.
Man, Camaros is still the shit though, man.
Yeah.
Like I miss my Camaro, but
it hasn't been gone that long.
Yeah, but shit, I had that damn Camaro forever. Shit, 5-6 years already.
Yeah.
Man, that was my dream car at that point. Then I stepped it up, but
and then you stepped it up to that one.
This Camaro, I don't know, guys. I need y'all to let me know. Y'all think this one look better than my old Camaro? Look at it. Y'all think it look better than my old Camaro? I mean, of course, I'm not really gonna drive it. My wife's gonna drive it, but I think it'll be good.
I think it looks
newer.
sharp.
It's got all newer shit in it.
Got the Apple CarPlay, Android thing, even though I'm not an Android, but
it looks pretty slick to me. I'm thinking about painting this gloss black.
oh, because it's the avalanche plastic again, isn't it?
Just like
you can't get away from it.
Just like your SS, the avalanche plastic.
You can't get away from it.
Yeah, in the state of Oklahoma and I guess the state of Texas, car dealers can't sell cars on Sunday, so we would have been already up here trying to get it.
Probably would have had it. We had to make money.
Yeah,
by the way, you guys, I sold my SS yesterday.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Shit, I didn't forgot. We moving so quick. Yeah, we sold it.
I had that thing sold within, I think, at the most 3 hours of it posted.
He came out and then he had to get his money together and he met us up 2 days ago. So
yeah, so 3 hours. I had my SS gone. Everybody's like, "Oh my God, why are you getting rid of your SS?" You know.
Yeah. I don't know. Y'all gotta ask
car
Melly
people.
You gotta ask Melly why she got rid of it.
To be honest with you, I have no idea why I got rid of it.
I gotta ask her. I still love the SS.
Yeah. Anyway. I don't know why I got rid of it. You know, us being car people, I think that's...
She probably got tired of bored of it. I don't know.
I think it's bad being certified car people because we're so used to changing cars up.
We sell cars. That's why we sell cars. Like
yeah, but then I'm like, at the same time, okay, I had
that.
that.
How you say we don't love these cars?
But no, at the same time, it's like a notch under my belt.
Yeah.
It's like a notch under my belt. Okay, I had that SS. Oh, I had the SRT8. Oh, I had this.
These cars are trophies. That's how I see it. These cars are trophies.
Yeah.
Like okay, I got the Vet, I got the SS, got the Camaro. It's like trophies. Like, okay, you made it to this level. You made it to that level. This is what I got. You open your garage up, you feeling down, feeling sad, feeling bad one day. You pop up in your garage, you're like, damn, I'm doing good.
Yeah.
On those rough days, you know, when you're feeling down or whatever. But, I mean, shit, that's what I do.
So I think the Camaro here is a bad mofo.
And it's already tinted up?
It's tinted. It has everything. It has the black and white, which I really, really like. That red just makes it pop, and I'm not a red fan at all.
And this is not a wrap or painted. It's this.
It's the actual emblem?
Is that
oh,
emblem?
Yeah.
So that's factory. That's
yep.
Pretty clean.
I like it.
That. Then we add see, I want to add the side flares on it, make it look even tougher.
Look in here.
Oh, it even come with locks. Look it. Make sure we ask them about them locks.
Oh, yeah.
The keys to them.
Oh, yeah. That'll be messed up to be stuck somewhere. It better have good tires on them.
Goodyear. They got them good years on them. Those are the tires I got on my SS when I got those new rims.
Yeah. I like the wheels too. The wheels are pretty fresh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Can you even see in there? Already got the tint. Yeah. You can't see. I can't see in there. I don't know.
See, we just looked at the pictures, and looking at the picture, you know, sometimes pictures look better than what they look like.
But the pictures did this one justice.
Yeah. I like it. I like this shit. But yeah, we're gonna be up over here tomorrow, so we're gonna let y'all know what happened. We'll be back up here in the morning. So make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals. And I'm out. Peace.